Yeah, I'm the best rapper you never heard. I bet you hang on every word. Play my shit or hate on my shit, but you can't do both, it gets on my nerves. I don't really wanna be this way, I'm too grounded to be this cocky. If you had half the amount of doubters turn into riders, you'd be feeling like Rocky too. Real talk now, no telling me I haven't paid my dues. Cash coming in, but it don't mean a damn thing till I make enough I can pay my dues. Talk about pressure, couple of my best friends up and moved to the West Coast with nothing but a dream and a confidence in me. One day I will make it all worth something. How could I not rap my ass off? I'm all in for this team. I turned down about like 50K, cause I know I gotta chase this dream. I ain't even blink twice when I told him. I ain't even think twice about that. Couldn't even break the news to my dad though. I ain't wanna be the one to break his back, but I gotta live though, got a story to tell. Can't look back on the what ifs, but if I don't make it into the rap game, I'ma just be another cat that could've cut it. Fuck it, money in the budget, gold on the pages. High demand for me to rip these stages. You can't tell me nothing. I've been on that no sleep and that go hard, ain't nobody stopping my shine. Had a lot of late nights with my headphones and a lot of bullshit on my mind. Had my head down and my grind on. A lot of people telling me that I'ma be the one, but I never really looked up till just now. Finally hitting me how far we've come. Rap game underdogs, never got no love from blogs. Self-made, told me quit the music, get a real job, don't look now, I'm self-paid.